Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn the full form of MIA and everything you should know about it. First, MIA stands for missing, I in action. The term "missing in action" is mostly used in the military. It describes a soldier who cannot be found during or after a battle or military operation. This means the soldier is missing, and the military does not yet know whether the person is alive, captured, injured, or dead. The term became very common during major wars such as the World War One, World War Two, and the Vietnam War. During these wars, many soldiers disappeared during combat and their status was recorded as MIA until more information was discovered. When a soldier is listed as MIA, the military begins a serious investigation. They search battlefields, check records, interview witnesses, and sometimes work with international organizations to find out what happened. In some cases, the soldier may later be found alive, identified as a prisoner of war, or sadly confirmed dead. Over time, the meaning of MIA has expanded beyond the military. Today, people also use MIA informally in everyday conversation. For example, if someone has not been seen or heard from for a long time, people might say he has gone MIA, meaning the person has disappeared or is not responding. In POP culture and media, the term MIA is also used in movies, news reports, and even online chats to describe someone who is absent or unreachable. So, to summarize, MIA means missing in action, a term originally used by the military to describe a soldier who cannot be located during war. But today, it can also describe someone who is temporarily missing or absent. And that's the meaning of MIA in a simple way. If you enjoyed learning this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. See you in the next lesson.